This is disturbing, though. Some serious new charges tied to the Psychiatric Institute of Washington. Now, WUSA 9 has reported on some previous lawsuits tied to this Tinleytown facility.
Yeah, and now the U.S. Attorney for D.C., Janine Pirro, says a patient's death could have been prevented. Our Alexis Wainwright is live tonight with what we are learning. Alexis, tell us more.
Well, Lorenzo and Leslie, I can tell you that tonight Attorney Pirro is calling this case shocking but also deeply concerning. What we have learned is that 3 people could now face up to 20 years in jail because of this case, facing criminal charges. Now, this all dates back about 6 years, but Pirro says it's important to hold people accountable that are involved in this case. It centers on 2 former psychiatric technicians and a former nurse who worked at the Psychiatric Institute of Washington. Now, they're charged with criminal negligence in the death of a 58-year-old patient identified only as GW. Investigators say GW was having a medical emergency and was supposed to be under one-on-one supervision, but instead they say the staff didn't act. Prosecutors say it took 21 minutes before they tried to help, and the entire thing was captured on video.
This was not a difficult medical judgment. This was basic entry-level incompetence. This was completely abandoning the health of a human being. They had a legal and an ethical duty to act, and they chose not to.
And WUSA 9 has reported for several years about different lawsuits and allegations of negligence at this institute before. Now, we did reach out to them directly for comment on these allegations and these claims, but we have not heard back just yet. Of course, we'll continue to update you as we learn more. But for now, tonight, we can also say that Attorney Pirro is saying that there could be other cases similar to this one out there. She wants you to call her directly, her office. That number is on your screen. I'm also going to look at my phone to give you that phone number. It is 202-252-0809. Again, anyone with any similar cases are asked to call that number. For now, reporting live in Northwest, Alexis Wainwright. I'll send it back to you guys in the studio.